Are you still looking for a Valentine's treat or for just a refreshing cake? This no-bake cheesecake is really delicious. The two-layer combination makes it taste even better. Welcome or welcome back to our simple home. For the base, I use half a cup of unsweetened shredded coconut, 1 cup of sliced almonds. I mix it so everything is a powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. Combine everything well to create a dough-like texture. There you go. You can use a round spring form or a heart shape like I do and set it on a cake plate. I set it upside down so I can easily press in the dough onto the cake plate. Now I transfer the base or the no-bake dough over to the spring form and press it to the bottom to create a base layer. Now I use the back of the spoon to make the layer even. Once done, I place the cake into the refrigerator. I use 1.5 cup of frozen blueberries. I thaw them and make sure I drain the water. And 2 cups of frozen strawberries and also thaw them and drain the water. 2 cups soaked overnight cashews or soaked in boiled water for 15 minutes. 3/4 cup of coconut oil. 3/4 cup of maple syrup. 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. 2 tablespoons of fresh pressed lemon juice. A pinch of salt. And half a cup of coconut cream. Mix everything well to get a nice, smooth and creamy mixture. Now I divide the cream into 2 so I can have the 2 layers. Now I make a puree from the strawberries first because they are the lighter color. My fruit was still a little frozen, but it was still okay. It worked great. Then I add the 1 part of the cream to the strawberries. Mix it well to get a nice creamy consistency. Then I transfer the strawberry cream into a bowl. Next I puree the blueberries. I transfer the second half of the cream to the blueberry puree and mix to create a nice blueberry cream. Once done, I transfer the blueberry cream over onto my cold base. Then I even it out with the back of the spoon. Then I put it back into the fridge or freezer and let it cool. Next I add the strawberry cream on top. Spread it around and try to make it nice and even. This spoon wasn't good enough, so I had to find a different tool to make it more even. Then I put the cake back into the freezer or fridge, it depends how much time you have to let it cool. Now I show you how I made strawberry roses. I start on the top and just slice a little bit into the strawberry and then push it back a little bit and just turn it around and do it over and over again so you get a flower look like strawberry. And I repeat the same thing on the other strawberries too. If you enjoyed my video so far, please like, subscribe and share my videos with others. That means a lot to me. Thank you. My strawberry flowers are done and my cake is cool enough. I loosen the spring foam ring with a knife and then remove it. There you can see the layers, very nice. I set the strawberries on top. You can decorate it different, the way you like it. I sprinkled some shredded coconut around the strawberries. And now we can cut the cake and enjoy it. The cake is nice and creamy, and it was standing on the table for hours and it didn't fall apart, so that was a good thing. And it is really delicious. It is so creamy and nice. Look, that's how it looks close up. And now I will try it. Oh yes, it's really good. And I hope you will make this no-bake creamy cheesecake too and try it yourself. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video.